NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token,
which translates to something that cannot be exchanged for another item because it's unique. One piece of art is not equal to another because both have unique characteristics. Fungible items can be exchanged for another. As an example, a Bitcoin is always similar to another. An NFT is a token that lives on a blockchain and represents ownership of a rare item. A blockchain is a system that records a transaction made in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency that's maintained across several computers that link in a peer-to-peer network. Tracking the ownership of a digital file can be precarious because it can be copied and distributed easily. Proving who the original owner is when everyone has an identical copy of the file can get complicated. Let's say you made a piece of digital art as a JPEG on your computer. You can create or mint an NFT. Your NFT represents your art and contains information about it, such as a unique fingerprint of the file, a token name, and a symbol. This token is stored on a blockchain and you become the owner. You can sell the token by creating a transaction on the blockchain, and the blockchain will make sure this information can never be altered. It allows you to track who the current owner of the token is and how much it's sold for in the past. Remember that the artwork itself is not stored within the NFT or blockchain, only its nature, like the fingerprint or hash of the file, a token name and a symbol, and a link to those files hosted on IPFs. When you buy an NFT that represents artwork, you will not get a physical copy of it. Everyone can download a copy of it for free. The NFT only represents ownership which is recorded in the blockchain so that no one can tamper with it. Some believe NFTs only give you a digital bragging right. The creator of the NFT keeps the copyright and reproduction rights. An artist can sell his or her original artwork as an NFT, but also sell prints. They can also be used to sell concert tickets, domain names, rare game items, real estate, or anything that is unique and needs proof of ownership. For example, while Twitter has been on the news lately, the founder sold his first tweet as an NFT, but now only one person owns it and is paid over $2.9 million for it. You might wonder why some NFTs are worth millions. What someone is willing to pay will decide what it's worth. If I'm ready to pay $100 for a specific NFT, then that's what it's worth. The bottom line, prices are driven by demand. Show caution, because if the NFT becomes worthless, no one will want to buy it. How it works. NFTs are actually smart contracts that live on a blockchain. In this case, it keeps track of the current and previous owners. And NFTs can also be programmed to give royalties to the creator every time it exchanges hands. Now guys, if you need more crypto education, click on the videos showing to you on the screen. We do educational videos on cryptocurrency for everyone so that you can understand them easily. See you in the next video, and until then, subscribe and enable all notifications. Thank you.